Hi, okay, today we're going to take this, well, I'll say it's 1986, but it's fully rebuilt Land Rover 90 soft top with 300 TDI power, R380 gearbox, disc back axle, the original vehicle, and Marsland galvanised chassis. Yes, the original vehicle is 1986. It actually originally was an ex-military vehicle, but it's now fully civilianised, fully rebuilt by Island Land Rovers. They've done a really good job on it. It's done less than 500 miles since it's been finished by them. Odometer reading is 174,000 miles, but that's largely academic, given that I think the only bits of the original vehicle that still exist on it are the bulkhead and the front axle. So yeah, it's absolutely magnificent. Anyway, we'll take it for a spin. It was fitted with a relatively low mileage Discovery 300 TDI engine. I think they'd done about 100,000 miles from memory, but they did, obviously it had new cam belt, water pump, auxiliary followers and everything, and also the I think the either valve shims or the valve stem oil seals were replaced in it. So it's a fully up together 300 TDI engine. Anyway, doesn't need any heat, starts beautifully, and it feels actually quite quick. I don't know if the boost pin in the it has been modified at all, but it feels quicker than a standard 300 TDI to me, but I've got no confirmation of that. Anyway, I'll turn this round because you don't really need to see me, and I'll lock that on there, and we'll take it for a spin. We've got the sides up and everything, so it might be a little bit noisier than perhaps it could be, but it's nice on a day like this to have the sides up. Also fitted with power steering, I forgot to mention that. Occasional rattle from the tailgate. It has got the spare wheel mounted on a swing away carrier as well. Occasional rattle from that area just over bumps, but that's normal, especially the way the tailgate is secured on one of these. But it drives beautifully, no signs of any overheating or anything. The temperature gauge is sitting just below the halfway point. It steers properly, not fighting down the road at all. There's no backlash whatsoever in the transmission. Frankly, I wouldn't expect there to be, given the mileage it's done since build. It's been fully polybushed as well, and obviously it's had things like new shock absorbers and what have you. When you do a galvanised chassis conversion, you can't just stop there. Nice gearbox on it, nice brakes. We're down to walking pace here because of a cyclist. Go again. Really smooth, really together, and it feels great. It really does. As I say, no driveline shunt or anything. Maybe a single silencer system. Could be because I've got the sides up that it just sounds a little bit more throaty than a standard one, or it could be a single system. freshen up when you drive it. It even smells new. So braking wise, absolutely spot on. So, bring this up, turn it around. There we have it. Don't think you find a better one than this, in my opinion. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com. End.